Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our November new products video. First new products from Carpenter Industries is for the 68 to 77 Ford Bronco. It's an ignition lock set. I know these have been made before. We have these in chrome. Carpenter came out with these in black. Really nice satin finish. Gives you the two-door locks matching and the ignition. It also gives you 3 keys. What's nice about this, it also comes with the gaskets that go on the outside and the clips that hold them in place. Again, brand new for the 68 to 77 Ford Bronco, the satin black lock set. And our next new product is this transmission indicator. This fits the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco, 80 to 86 F-Series pickup with a C6 automatic transmission. What this does is when you put your foot on the brake and pull down on a column shifter, this shifts this and it tells you what gear you're in, reverse, drive, neutral. Really nice piece. It comes complete. Basically, you take your speedo head up, 2 screws, you screw it in place, slide the cable down, hook it in place again, and you're brand new. Again, this is for the 80 to 86 Bronco and 80 to 86 F-Series pickup with a C6 automatic transmission. And our next new products from Carpenter Industries are these door handles. These are for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. These are the outside door handles. What's nice about these are Bronco specific. They've taken the pattern from the Bronco, which is slightly different than the Mustang. So that's why some people, when they get to buy the other door handles, have a little problem getting to work. These are Bronco specific. Super nice chrome job on them. You get the drivers and passenger. Comes with the gaskets and mounting hardware. Again, brand new from Carpenter Industries, 66 to 77 Bronco specific chrome outside door handles. They come complete. Basically, you take them out of the box, put the gaskets on there, screw in place, hook the rods, and away you go. They're all there, ready to go. These are nice and smooth, really work well, again, for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product are these coil towers. These are for the 78, 79 Bronco, 73, 79 half-ton pickup. It's a stock replacement. We've patterned it after the 78-9 Bronco coil tower, had it made here locally, heavy duty steel construction, it's all laser cut out, welded, ready to go. All the holes for the mounting are in there correct. Basically, you paint them, bolt them on the truck, and you're ready to go. We sell these singular or in pairs. You buy 2, you save a little money. Again, brand new coil spring towers for the 78, 79 Bronco and 73 to 79 half-ton four-wheel drive pickup. And for our November web truck of the month, we have Jim Artema's beautiful early Bronco. It's got the Ranger package on it. He's restored it. It's a beautiful truck. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
Well, it was a Ranger, so it had the same stripes on, but it was blue and not red. Okay. But my wife wanted a red one, so this is her vehicle. It had a stick shift in it when I bought it, but I changed it over to an automatic because that's what she wanted. I built everything. I bought all the parts at the graveyard, okay. But I had the motor rebuilt, bored out 30 thousandths.
How long did it take you from the time you started till
4 years?
You was driving it. Okay, 4 years.
Yeah, this is my second one. The first one I did, I found up in the UP, and that took me a year, but I worked hard at that one. This one, I got all done with the first one, and it was like, Guy, I found out I enjoyed the process of fixing it more than I did the finished product. So I took my time on this one. You know, it was a lot of work changing it over to an automatic with a linkage and things I had to do to the transfer case and stuff. You know, I had it all together, and there was some parts missing in there that I didn't know about. Sure. So I had to take it apart a couple times, but it was worth it in the long run.